In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start your first chat in Google Chat. By the end, you'll have a brand new space set up and your first message sent. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and head to Google's homepage. Before you go any further, make sure you're signed in to the correct Google account, especially if you use separate accounts for work and personal use. This avoids creating a space in the wrong place. On the Google homepage, click the Google Apps icon in the top right corner. It looks like a small grid of 9 dots. This opens the app launcher where you can quickly access Google services. If you don't see chat right away, scroll within the launcher or use the search box at the top of the page to look for Google Chat. You can also go directly by typing chat.google.com into your browser's address bar. Both paths land you in the same place. Once Google Chat opens, look for the option to create a new space. A space is a dedicated room for a team, project, or topic, and it keeps conversations organized over time. Click Create a Space. If a prompt appears asking about permissions or access settings, you can leave the defaults for now and adjust later if needed. Next, type the name of your space. Choose a clear, descriptive name so everyone knows what it's for. Think Marketing Weekly Stand-Up or Quarterly Budget Review rather than something vague. Clear names make it easier to find and keep your workspace tidy. If you see an optional field for adding people, you can skip it for now and invite members later once your first message is ready. Click Create to finalize the space. Google Chat will set everything up and open the new space automatically. You'll see a message box at the bottom where you can start typing. This is your cue to send your first chat. Type a short, friendly message that explains the purpose of the space, like a welcome note or a quick summary of what you'll discuss here. Keep it concise and helpful so new members can understand the context immediately. Before you send, you can enhance the message with formatting, emojis, or attachments using the icons below the text box. To mention someone, type the @ symbol followed by their name. Press enter to send, or use Shift+Enter to add a new line without sending. And that's it. You navigated to Google, opened Google Chat, created a space, named it, confirmed the setup, and sent your first message. You're ready to collaborate efficiently in Google Chat.